Empower your entrepreneurial journey with VRMSZ Are you ready to transform your dream of starting a business into a reality? VRMSZ LLC and VRMSZ is your dedicated partner in navigating the complexities and uncertainties that often accompany the entrepreneurial path. Here's what we offer to guide you on your entrepreneurial adventure. 1. Foundational business setup. Overcome the paralysis of internet information by receiving personalized guidance on setting up the foundational structure of your business. 2. Tailored consultation. Our experts specialize in assisting W-2 employees like yourself. Schedule a consultation to discuss your unique journey and receive expert advice. 3. Step-by-step path to success. Navigate each stage of your business setup with a clear roadmap, ensuring you make informed decisions for sustainable growth. We understand the challenges you might face, and our mission is to simplify the process, providing you with the confidence and knowledge to embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Begin your entrepreneurial adventure now at VRMSZ. Join a supportive community of aspiring entrepreneurs, access valuable resources, and set the stage for your business success.